Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to another video. And if you're here for the first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. Some time ago, I did a sketch with me video and it was really relaxing and fun. So I thought of doing another sketching session with you today. This time around, I also brought some markers so we can have more colorful sketches. Just like before, I'll be checking Pinterest for stuff to draw. I have a board saved with good stuff I find specifically for these videos. I'll leave you a link in the description so you can see this and other boards. So grab a drink, a snack, get comfortable and come sketch along with me. I got half a page filled, and that's my marker to remind me to take a break. So let's get up for a bit, stretch those muscles, do a few exercises. Don't forget to drink some water as well, and maybe even grab something to eat. If you watched the video so far, this is a great time to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying it. I'm very grateful for any kind of support. Also, a quick question. Before we continue, which is your favorite sketch so far? Mine is these cute cat plates. They're so lovely and I love how they came out. What about you? Leave a comment with your favorite sketch. Let's get back to drawing. And once again, I have a page of my sketchbook almost filled with small and cute drawings. And yes, some of them, or I should say most of them, are quite messy. But I don't do these sketching sessions to create perfect drawings. My idea here is to take some time and relax with mindless drawings. They're not supposed to be super good, we're just having some fun depicting cute stuff found online in our own style. Sometimes you sketch with the intent to learn something, but that doesn't always need to be the case. It's okay to sit down and draw messy and dumb sketches of stuff. I like to look up stuff on Pinterest and draw them. What about you? What kind of stuff do you like to draw to unwind and relax? Do tell me in the comments, I might try to add those things next time. Just one small thing before you go. It's October, and I'm once again hosting my Corgi challenge. It's just 4 prompts this time around, one for each week, and all you have to do is draw something based on the prompt. You're welcome to join this challenge. You can use any materials or medium you prefer and make as many drawings as you want. All I ask is for you to have fun. And if you do decide to post your drawings, don't forget to use the Corgi tag and to tag me at Art by Don Corgi so I can see and share your art. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you do, I'll see you next time. Bye!